Welcome, 501 Garage. Today, I'm building an engine stand. Engine building stand, or an engine stand to carry me spare engine. I thought I'd build one. Instead of buying an engine building stand, I can tailor make it to suit the fiat engine. So I'm fitting the wheels, then it'll be a process of working out the rest of it. But just a quick update. Starting to look quite good. Have another look at it. Appears to be sitting square. There's a 501 undercover. Let's go and see what Dad's doing. There he is, looks like fixing a gramophone. What are you fixing here, Father? Gramophone?
Bloody old gramophone.
Lovely.
Put in the boot of the Monaro.
Boot of the Monaro. Well. That's lovely. Playing well.
It'll be about 1930s, I suppose.
Not earlier?
No, I don't think so. It's a...
They were still building these in 1930?
Yeah, no worries.
That's lovely. And that's it for today at 501 Garage. Thank you.